How to fix Pinterest something went wrong problem. Now, this specific issue usually happens when if you're currently in the middle of uploading a photo or customizing out a photo directly from Pinterest application suddenly got cut off because of your internet connection. Of course, the very first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have stable internet service by making sure that you have at least a maximum amount of signal bars. The other thing that you can do is make sure that you are using the latest version of Pinterest application. Last option is by clearing cache and cookies directly from the application itself by simply tapping and holding the Pinterest icon and going into the eye icon. In here, just simply scroll down and go into storage. Now make sure that you will be executing both clear data and clear cache. Once everything is sorted out, try to rerun your Pinterest application once again, see if it's already working. And that is how you fix Pinterest something went wrong problem.